Hey there, this is author-illustrator Jarrett Lerner, and I'm back for another episode of What Can You Do with a Letter U? And today, we're going to draw some birds. Now, like I've said on some other videos, there are a million ways to draw birds, an infinite way to draw birds, as many ways to draw birds as there are drawers, as there are artists. But one way is to use a letter U. You can start with an upside down letter U, close it off. Then if you use a sideways letter U, or a C shape, and another one, a couple of dots, a triangle, a couple of L shapes for feet, there you go. There's a little bird. Now there are all sorts of variations to this, of course. You can make your bird shape wider. You can give it a tail with 3 little lumps instead of 2, say. You can use 2 triangles instead of 1 and open the bird's mouth. You can add some U shapes or J shapes and create a little wing. You can also make your letter U have one arm that is longer than the other, and then do your tail, and then close it off. And that gives it a different look. You can make the bird have a letter U eyes. If they're upside down U's, those are going to look joyful. Maybe it's singing. If you put them right side up, that might look like the bird is sleeping, or maybe just hanging out, feeling content. So, what can you do with the letter U? You can draw some birds.